Hello Internet and welcome to another episode of Automotive Carnage. Today's episode we have finally our new belts. So we're about to get these back on and we're about to get this car up and running again. So I've been waiting quite a while for these little puppies to show up. I'm really glad they're finally here. It means I can get this car off its ramps once we put these on, put the cooling system back together, put some fluid in the transmission, and we'll be good to go. So let's get into it.
Ta-da! Da-da-da! My old nemesis, the SR13, who does not want to run properly. Today is your final day to work. Anyway, let's put the belt on. Alright, there we are. So power steering belt, air conditioning belt and alternator belt, they're all put on nice and tight. As you saw, we had a bit of trouble just getting that air conditioner pulley on and the power steering pump lined up correctly. So now that we've done that, we'll put our fan on, I think, next. Then we'll put our intake on and coolant pipes and we'll go from there. So there we go everyone, the Silvia is back together and running pretty sweetly. It's 95% there. It's still idling just a little bit high. It doesn't quite accelerate 100% yet, but I'm just going to give it off to the mechanic in the next town over and just get them to give it a once over. I'm not ashamed to say that. Quite honestly, I'm still learning about all these cars. It's the first time I've worked on the Silvia, as I'm sure I've said before, and it was a challenge, and that's why it took so long to get anything done. Was A, I'm learning as I'm going and as I'm showing you guys, and B, when I find something, it just takes ages for the parts to arrive. So I've got this car to a point now where I'm happy with it, where I can give my tick and say, yep, let's hand it over to someone else now, get him to go over it, make sure I haven't done anything stupid or dodgy, and just get him to fine tune it so we get 100% acceleration. And then after that, she's off to the pits, get a roadworthy, and then we'll be driving it on the streets every day. And I'm actually buzzing about that. I cannot wait. So next time you see this car, and I mean it this time, she'll be going on a long journey to go get a roadworthy. And that's only a 380, 400 kilometer drive. So that's going to be exciting. Give it a good rundown. Make sure everything works correctly. It cools properly. The oil's right. The oil pressure, I should say, is correct. The transmission, changes nicely. But yeah, we just got to get it over. Get it to the mechanic and just get him to give it a once over. So that's all for this episode. That's all for the Silvia for now. Next week, I don't know. We've got the Silver V8 we can work on. We've got Starling we can work on. We've got a few of these other ones that we could possibly jump into. But I'll pick one of those. And as soon as I pick one of those out, I'll be bringing it to you guys as we go. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for being patient with me. And please like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps a lot, and let's start getting some subscribers back on this channel. It'll be absolutely fantastic. So thanks very much guys. See ya.